friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about how to scroll a web page using our Selenium C#. For this, I'm going to create one file. I'll delete for this full image and all not required. Okay. And this is also. And we can able to scroll down. Okay. And now for this, what are the things we can able to use? For this, I'm going to use for JavaScript executor to scrolling for the specific element. Okay. Java, what is the JavaScript executor? JavaScript executor also one kind of executor, like can say how you are going to use for driver object, web driver object. The same way we are going to use for JavaScript. But what is the difference between these two? WebDriver, sometimes if there is any element, if it is not visible, that moment we can get that element is not a visible exception, right? But JavaScript, it will take the backend, it will communicate with the DOM, and we can able to hit that particular element. And also it is a very fast execution. Okay. And sometimes our WebDriver also not able to click some of the elements if it is visible also. That moment we can use for JavaScript executor to click that specific element. Okay, those are the cases also we can able to use. Now in this particular session I'm going to use this JavaScript executor for scrolling. Okay, now for this we can say one element, any element we can take it. For this I'm going to take this one, and I'll take as this one, and it is having for ID. I want to scroll that specific element. Okay, diver dot find element by dot id, and then we can specify those id and close. And this specific id I'm storing into a web element. Okay, we are stored now, and we need to see this is JavaScript is completely third party. Then if you are used directly without giving a reference of driver, then it will not able to interact with that particular web driver. Otherwise it is very difficult, right? If you are given that, then automatically what are the driver it is doing already current session. Now WebDriver is open one session. If you are not giving into the JavaScript as an object, okay, to take that reference of that entire driver objects, that moment we can able to see some little bit problem. Okay, not only little bit, it's a big problem. Okay, now I JavaScript executor. Okay, this required for driver object reference. Okay, the driver object reference. Okay, once we given, then it will expected for object creation. Okay, I JavaScript executor. Okay, now we are able to create our executor, and also we are able to create the driver object, because we saying that what are the driver is able to handle for the current session. Please take care about that, and it will take care and it will work. Okay, now in this moment we need to use for executor dot execute script, and here we need to pass one command called argument. You need to correct meaning, we need to give that, otherwise arguments zero position dot a scroll into a view equal to true. Okay, then we can specifying here comma which element we are going to specify this particular element, and we are closing here now. Okay, Now whenever the page is open, automatically it will open and we can able to see, right? Starting the page in the top we can see, but we can't see from the down. That's why I'm given for the last element. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular script. Okay, and now you can see advanced. It's not able to scroll. Oh shit, sorry. We are talk about this one, but we are provided for another. Sorry, the problem with the website URL. See now we are able to see that down. Okay, like this we can able to do it. This is one scrolling into the view, scrolling into the view, particular element location. And even I show into some places like action class time. Action class time also I have explained that drag and drop HO, right click and multiple those things, right? The similar format, the scroll to view also it will work out the similar form. Okay, we can able to use for action class as well. And in case if you want to scroll some of the places, not for the completely, but you need to scroll some specific position. Okay, how you can able to do that? Okay, specific position is nothing but you can provide some position. Okay, now you can see here how we can able to position a window dot a scroll up by, we can specify for 0 comma 500 squares. Okay, and this is scroll for 0 position to 500 pixel. Okay, we can see whether it will impact or not. It is not impact, we can increase some amount of scrolling position. Okay, this position every see automatically is down completely because 50 pixel is completely down. Because of that it came into the last. Okay, like this also we can do. And another way we can able to scroll completely down if you want to scroll the completely, because I used to do that last one, but I don't want to do for like that. I need to scroll normal way in a last position. Okay, how you can able to give, there is a method called scroll window dot scroll to, and we can able to specify here there is a 0 comma and document dot a body a dot scroll height. Okay, it will take the 0 position and how much height it is there, that entire height it will go down, that we are saying here. Okay, it will go for again down last position. The body is not defined. Oh sorry. See again it is come for done. Okay, like this also we can able to use. Okay, and another one which is a keyboard keys. Okay, the key press and key up and downs and those things will be there. By using that also we can do for down. Okay, how you can able to do that means, now this is my last position of element, right? Now I'm taking this one. Okay, now here I'm putting. Okay, I'm doing for send keys. Okay, and here I'm using for keys dot page down. Okay, page down. Okay. Now this will do like a completely down position. Now again, see, we are able to come for page down. Okay. Like this, we can able to do by using the key press also. You can able to see up also there. Page up and down. Okay. You can able to say that enter key is there. Alt and arrow left, arrow right, arrow up, and backspace, cancel, clear, command, control, all the things will be there. Okay, you can use whatever you want and you can do that your operation also. Okay, this is all about for scrolling into other web application. Okay, I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share your friends and friends. Thank you.